Welcome. Today we are discussing about exception handling. The first question is create an array of characters which will be initialized during runtime with vowels. If the user enters any consonant, your code should generate a user-defined check exception, invalid vowel exception. The description or message of invalid vowel exception is character is consonant. Handle the exception by using try, catch, finally throw and throws. Now we can go to a program. So here is a program. Here we have to create user-defined exception, that is invalid vowel exception, which extend from the exception, and then in the second string method we have to print the message, and here in this method we have to print that is character is constant. In the main program we have to create a character array with size 5, and inside the try block we have to use a for loop, that is I equals 0 I less than a dot length. It will check till the end, and it will be getting incremented by 1. Then we have to get card from the user. We have to store it to the item, and we have to convert item into plural case and store it in a ch. We have to check whether it character is vowel or not. If true, then we have to store ch into character array, else it will print character is constant. Inside invalid vowel exception, which extend exception, it had to block the printing E, and finally inside the final block we have to print all the elements of the array. Here for character I is to A, then we'll print the array. Now we can run this program. So I've given A, it is a vowel, it is printing in array character, and then I given E, it is a vowel, then I given Y, so it is printing character is consonant. So then we have stored this in it is printing A and D. Now we can go to a second question. So write a Java program to throw an exception for an employee details. If an employee name is a number, a name exception must be thrown. If an employee age is greater than 50, an age exception must be thrown, or else an object must be created for the entered employee details. Now we can go to a program. So here is a program. Here we have to create an employee name, age as data members. We have to create two argument constructor for name and age. Name equal A, age equal B. Inside the main class, we have to create one static method is alpha of string name, which shows the exception. We have to define character name with size as name dot length. Then we have to convert name into character and store it in name array. So the using for loop, we are giving I equals 0 I less than name dot length and I plus plus. We have to check if all elements in the character are alphabetic, it will continue, else it will throw an exception and it will print incorrect data type. Now we are going to the main loop. In the static, we have to initialize the null and age as 0. Inside the try block, we have to get the name from the user and store it in L. Then we have to call the function isAlpha of n. We have to get the age from the user and store it in ag. We have to store both name and age in the user. Check if age greater than 50, then we have to throw new exception. Age limit exceeded. Inside the call exception E, we have to print the E. We have to print obj.name and obj.age. Now we can run this program. So I'm giving age is 30. So it is printing like this. Now I am Enter the name Shah. Enter the age. I'm giving 89. So it is printing age limit is exceeded. So thank you.